Redmi has officially confirmed the launch date of the Redmi K90 series. The brand will unveil the Redmi K90 and Redmi K90 Pro Max in China on October 23rd. The images shared by the brand showcase the white edition of the Redmi K90 Pro Max, revealing a sleek design with ultra-thin bezels and rounded corners. The back panel features a large rectangular camera module positioned at the top, housing the camera sensors and an LED flash on the left. Redmi K90 Pro Max come in black, white, and denim blue. The Redmi K90 Pro Max will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, run Android 16 with HyperOS 3 layered on top. The Redmi K90 Pro Max is expected to sport a 6.59-inch OLED display with 2K resolution. It is expected to feature a 50-megapixel 1/1.3-inch main sensor and a periscope telephoto lens, a first for the K series. Powering the devices could be a 7,500 mAh battery with 100W fast charging support and 50W wireless charging support. The K90 Pro Max will be the first Pro Max device under Redmi, targeting the 4,000 Yuan. The K90 Pro Max rebranded as the Poco F8 Ultra in international markets. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.